I just would like a break from the coughing. A break from the coughing would be good. Don't you think we're better together? Oh, I think we are.
Today is the 7th of December. Good morning, guys. Mary.
Oh gosh, I just wrote 7th.
Oh, you're a 7th? 12th, 7th, 18?
Okay, well, that's what that's gonna be.
Awesome.
If you got a print that was labeled 12/7th, it was happening right now.
You saw it here first. Mary has made her way to the couch today and is feeling pretty rough.
I almost never take breaks in the middle of my vest, and a little while ago I was doing my vest and I just like had to stop and just take a break. So I came and laid on the couch. Then I used this, which is like 20 bucks from Amazon. Listen, it's like brrr, and sometimes I use that as like airway clearance. And I just laid here and did that. But
Mary's just signing a few prints that are going out in the mail. I'm finishing up all the orders for the week, and there's a Christmas Ollie and a Christmas bear. And but it's kind of a low-key day of trying to let our bodies recover and get work done, and I've got sermon to plan for Sunday and all the things. It's been a bit of a crazy week, but
you were super sick this time last week.
I was super sick this time last week, but I'm thankful to be doing better. I'm looking forward to like not coughing and like just being fully recovered, but
yeah,
one step at a time.
Okay. I'm currently I just would like a break from the coughing. A break from the coughing would be good. But I really love him. He makes me smile. Oh man.
Alright, dropped all the orders at the post office, and now it's, look, it's dark outside. It gets dark so early, but oh, it's Christmas time, and for some reason in my mind, winter and Christmas time are a good time to have breakfast for dinner. And so that's what we're gonna do tonight on a Friday night. I've got some bacon sizzling in the pan. I'm going to take, we had some old baked potatoes in the fridge that I've cut up, and I'm gonna make like hash browns in the pan, or just like pan fried potatoes. And then we have a French loaf that's going stale, so I'm gonna make some French toast with it, and should be fun. But Mary's doing her best right now and really not feeling well today. Like just feeling, I think she's feeling a little overwhelmed by kind of the toll that the sickness is taking on her lungs, and so she's doing her best right now, trying to clear her airways, and hopefully we can have a simple breakfast for dinner. And I've got work to do tonight, but we'll probably just have a low-key evening here at the house. But oh, gotta flip the bacon. Okay, here it is. We have bacon, refried potato, baked potato, and I made the French toast. I put cinnamon, sugar, and butter on top.
Those looks talking.
Talking's not
really
the happening.
Really good.
Really good. All right, we're gonna.
Could be better.
I don't know. This sounds delicious.
Mm-hmm.
I was telling them, winter nights feel like a good time to have breakfast at night.
It's a good idea. Especially when you have a fever.
Remember in college at the end of the semester, they would have breakfast breakfast at night during finals in the college cafeteria.
Like
that was,
till midnight or something?
Yeah.
What is going on in my computer?
I don't know.
We're gonna finish the Santa Claus.
Okay, cool.
Alright, here we are on the couch. I just woke up. And Peter needed to take a break from studying, so... Or whatever you were doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were working on Sunday stuff.
Yeah. And we have this... I don't even know. Did you just get this like after
Marshall's,
Christmas
yeah.
clearance? And we've only Mary only opened day 1.
Okay, sorry, day 2.
Day 2, it's a Christmas tree. Should I just do them?
Yeah.
Day 3. I found tricky little boogers.
Oh,
Candy cane.
adorable.
All right, day 4. We gotta find it. That's part of the magic. You got it, Mare. Get it. What is it? It's
A little birdie.
It's a little bird, a Christmas bird. Day 5. Today's the 7th, right? I think so.
Oh yes, because I wrote 7th on a print this morning.
The first gift of Christmas.
And then?
Verse 6.
Aha.
You know, I just finished working on my sermon and I called it verse 6.
Wait, what? You called it verse?
I said verse 6.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cute. This is adorable.
Snowman.
And then there's the 7th.
7. This is reusable, right?
I'm not sure.
I think they'll close back up. Another
Super
candy
cute.
cane. Look at that. This is marvelous. You guys hear that? Crackly lungs.
I've been hearing weird lung sounds.
Yeah, while Mary was sleeping here on the couch. Your breathing was it was like really labored. Which makes sense. She's got a lot going on. Yeah, your lungs are in labor of a lot.
My lungs are going push.
Push, cough.
Get it? Labor, push. What did they sound like?
You were just, yeah, it was a lot of that, like while you were sleeping. Like,
Accurate.
Alright, heading upstairs for the night. I want to show you guys, I'm taking a Dexcom up to Mary, but this room is a disaster. I'm showing them the aftermath of the working room. This week has been a little bit of catching up on a lot of orders and after being sick and everything, and sometimes you just let everything get thrown all over the place. But if you guys still want to place any orders for things like hats, or we've got our new beanies and all kinds of stuff, but place your orders in the next few days, next week, basically, if you want it before December 25th. Raise your hand if you think Ollie looks like a piece of fried chicken. He's so cute.
All the medical trash.
I think he's like, today's been like him resting up after having a puppy around for a few days. But Mary is switching out her Dexcom. Is it every
10 days.
10 days?
It's nice that it's 10 days, actually.
As opposed to
It used
7?
to be 7.
Yeah.
I thought that it wouldn't make, like, any difference, but it's kind of nice.
Hey, that's a lot less changes.
Yeah. Have you ever done it?
The G6? No.
Remember you had to do my first one
Yep.
down on the living room floor?
That was like just about a year ago, because I remember seeing that video. when I was posting the links. If you guys don't know this and you're new around here, every day down in the description of the video, I put the links for if you want to see, like, if you're like newer around here and you want to like catch up and see what life was like 4 years ago or 3 years ago or 2 years ago, I always put those links in the description of the video. And sometimes I mess them up. Just saying. Alright. There she goes. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
It's interesting, with the G6, I almost always bleed. With the G4, I didn't bleed. But it doesn't seem to affect the efficacy, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Good work.
Although the minute I sit down and I'm like, okay, I took my antibiotics, took my pills, I did my feeding tube, I did this, then I remember something. But we're sleeping up here again.
Yeah.
It's like musical rooms with our house.
It is true.
I was sleeping up here with little puppy girl. And then, now that we're kind of on the back end of the cold, we were trying to sleep separate for germ reasons, but now it's like, whatever, you know?
Yeah, and now that Mary's not feeling awesome, it's good to be up here and able to help her in the night or in the morning when she needs it. And
don't forget to find joy in each day.
Yeah.
This was a gift from a sweet friend who is no longer here, but she is remembered.
Yeah.
And
it's a good reminder.
It's a very good reminder. So, as always,
we will see you tomorrow.
Good night.
And good night.